My name is Mohammad Hasan, and I'm an international athlete. I represented the UAE in 3 different sports, and I'm originally from Dubai.
He has been suffering from a condition called ulcerative colitis for more than 10 years. This condition affected his life significantly with abdominal pain, different symptoms, including multiple episodes of diarrhea, including also some rectal bleeding, which affected significantly his life in general.
I've got treatment everywhere around the world. And recently here, almost like 2 years and a half, I came back to Abu Dhabi and then I went to Cleveland Clinic. I was getting treatment, we got different treatments, and I found a little bit of improvement, but it wasn't getting like as good as I wanted it to be until November, where I got diagnosed that I have like a high dysplasia.
We went through that together as a team, and ultimately we were able to do a minimally invasive or laparoscopic colectomy for him, whereby rather than make one big incision, we were able to make multiple small, less than 1 centimeter incisions to remove his colon laparoscopically.
So the recovery after the surgery, the first 2 weeks was a bit of a tough 2 weeks because I was just trying to get adapted to it. There was a little bit of pain, but once the pain went away and once I got like a little bit more adjusted to the bag attached to my side, I felt way much more comfortable. I've done things I've never been able to do before, which was going for long walks or going for a long run or even going for a long cycle for the first time in my life, and I really do enjoy these things. For me, adapting to the bag, it was not a very easy thing to do, hence, and especially because I'm an athlete, I'm a surfer, laying down on the board was difficult. A week ago, I went for my first surf, and I was being able to lay down my board, I was able to surf. It took a bit of adjustment, but then I managed to do it. And also like recently, I participated in a fitness challenge where I did 30 different sports in 30 days just for me to prove that I can live with a bag and like still live normal life.
So I think this is really an inspiration for all patients with ulcerative colitis. I think it's an inspiration for all patients with ostomies or bags to see someone who really has a normal way of life, doesn't let it bog him down, and tries to lead the life he likes to lead, even with that ileostomy.
Everybody here, they were like super supportive. I felt like I had a whole team with me going into the surgery room, and even after the surgery room, in my recovery room, I was like very well taken care of. They were like attentive every time I needed it, and I felt like they are there to take care of the patients.
He's just such a naturally happy person. He came with a smile every single time. He just handled this with the utmost of endurance, and he was going to conquer this. And it was so great to see him get back into his life and get back into the activities that he absolutely loves to do.
For me in the future as a surfer, I want to push my limits to the next level. And I think now after the surgery, I should be able to do this. I'm going to go big wave surfing. I've done 55 feet recently, but now I want to go even bigger. I want to push my limits to the next level. I want to make a documentary to showcase someone going out of a country that has no waves and then all of a sudden surfing a big wave. So this is what I want to do, and hopefully I can do it.